Hermès has had a relationship with SCAD for a very long time. One of our board members was also a board member of SCAD, and he facilitated the production of a special scar for SCAD. And so when I started, we already had that connection. And now here I am as executive in residence. It's a real honor. I feel very humbled to have even been asked. I love everything that SCAD represents, a place that caters to people that want to be creative, they want to be artistic. I love working and communicating, talking to the students. You feel their passion from the minute you start speaking with them. It's incredible. It's absolutely incredible.
Do only what you love, and the rest will happen naturally and authentically. Be strong, be bold, believe in yourself.